Pick up on yourself, wherever you are, and let's do this. If you do not click in the to blend it, and we're gonna blend it and make a little bit of blend it. So that's how it look. Is all right. We're going to strain it off by simple. Get everything out of it. That's it, guys. I've done it. Excellent. So that's the juice right there, and I know you guys definitely will enjoy this one. All right, so tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and that's it for the day from Chef Ricardo Cooking to you guys. Enjoy.